You want to leave or what? So I'm very transparent in my process.
Just focus on the process.
I understand that. I hear what you're saying.
Yes, I know what you are saying. I know what you're saying. Yeah, I believe I know what you are saying.
I'm not trying to waste your time. I have to put tires on it. It at least needs tires. I still need to put tires on it. They won't pass. Those tires will not pass because it needs tires or two bad tires in that car with those tires on it. Put tires on it.
What's wrong with the tires?
They don't pass.
What's wrong with the tires?
The tread, there's not enough tread on it. I have to put tires on it. So here's the thing. It passes. No, sir, I did not lie.
How have you not lied?
How did I lie? So here's the thing. It passes. Okay. I understand what you're saying.
Shut up, Butters.
$3,500 bucks. I'll go $4,000 on it right now and call it a day, man.
Sight unseen 5 to 67. You're now at 35 to 4.
So you mean to tell me, if I give you a check for $5,000 right now, we're done?
Show me the money!
Holding my word. And after talking with my general manager, unfortunately, I cannot do business right now. Holding my word.